Unilux strobes that have the Smart Assist feature support the ability for the flash rate to be tied to an external trigger source. This is highly useful in the following situations. 1. When you want to be able to change the speed of your production line without needing to manually adjust the flash rate on the strobe. And 2. When unintended web fluctuations cause variations in line speed. Without an external trigger device tied to an eye mark in your material, the object under inspection will drift. Here is how external mode eliminates the need to worry about line speed. 1. A sensor is aligned to detect the eye mark in your pattern. 2. The sensor is connected to the strobe via a supported connector. 3. The strobe is placed into external trigger mode. Now, if the line speed is deliberately changed, the flash rate will change accordingly. Also, once the new speed is established, the strobe will continue to adjust to the detected rate of speed supplied by the sensor. The external trigger feature on Unilux Smart Assist supports any of the following: pulse TTL, open collector, or contact closure. As you can see in this example, every time the sensor sees the black eye mark, the strobe will flash. The Smart Assist external trigger feature also contains parameters that allow you to adjust the behavior of the strobe in certain scenarios. For example, you can establish a minimum flash rate threshold below which the strobe's behavior will change. Here is an example where, when the flash rate drops below 3600 flashes per minute, the strobe will convert to standby mode with the light off. Another option is to set the strobe so that below the minimum threshold it will convert to constant on mode, allowing the strobe to function as a work light while changing the production line or making adjustments to machinery. When a minimum threshold is set, once the line is back up above the minimum speed, the strobe will continue in normal operation. To change this parameter, simply press the knob and locate the configuration button on the left. Press the left button to access the configuration menu, and press the right button until the threshold action parameter is selected. Turn the knob to switch between standby and constant on mode. For more information about the Smart Assist external trigger feature and the full line of Unilux strobing equipment, visit unilux.com.